The Honda S2000 is a legendary roadster that has captured the hearts of driving enthusiasts since its debut in 1999. Known for its high-revving engine, precise handling, and lightweight design, the S2000 delivers a pure, exhilarating driving experience. Its 2.0-liter inline-four engine, renowned for its incredible 9,000 revolutions per minute redline, is paired with a slick 6-speed manual transmission, making it one of the most engaging cars to drive. With a timeless design and a focus on performance, the Honda S2000 remains an icon in the world of sports cars, celebrated for its balance of power, agility, and driver connection. Introducing the 2026 Honda S2000, a reborn icon of the roadster world, where heritage meets modern performance and innovation. The 2026 Honda S2000 returns with a bold new design that pays homage to its legendary predecessor. The sleek, low-slung body is paired with modern, sculpted lines for a timeless yet aggressive stance. With a lightweight chassis and a perfectly balanced design, the S2000 maintains its classic roadster profile, enhanced by a power retractable soft top for an open-air experience in seconds. At the rear, striking LED taillights and quad exhausts not only amplify the sporty look, but ensure that the S2000 turns heads from every angle. Step inside the 2026 S2000, where modern technology meets a driver-focused layout. The cockpit is purpose-built for enthusiasts, featuring premium leather seats, contrast stitching, and an ergonomic design that keeps everything within reach. The digital instrument cluster brings the latest technology to the forefront with customizable performance data, ensuring that the driver is always connected to the car. And with the redesigned steering wheel, complete with paddle shifters, you'll feel every twist and turn. The 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system integrates seamlessly with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on every adventure. Minimalistic controls and a refined dashboard offer a clean, race-inspired feel. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda S2000 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged VTec engine, delivering an impressive 350 horsepower and a 9,000 revolutions per minute redline, a tribute to the high-revving power plant that made the original S2000 famous. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission or a dual-clutch transmission, the new S2000 offers a thrilling and visceral driving experience. Precision-tuned suspension and near-perfect 50/50ths weight distribution make this roadster a dream to handle on both highways and tight corners. Every gear shift is seamless, every corner is a thrill, and with advanced adaptive suspension, the S2000 delivers exceptional handling on any surface, offering a perfect balance between performance and comfort. The 2026 Honda S2000, a pure expression of driving passion, reimagined for a new era. With cutting-edge technology, a thrilling engine, and timeless design, the S2000 is back to reignite your love for the road.